Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back on this Monday. Here's a look at our Devil's Lake, home of the Economy Sky Cam, where we're just seeing a few clouds, but more blue sky than anything. That will likely change as we head into tonight, although things are quiet for now. It's a first alert weather day. We did have some morning strong but non-severe thunderstorms that did some damage, as I showed you those pictures at the top of the hour with those Monoman storms. But another round of severe weather is possible tonight. Late day storms develop late tonight and continue into tomorrow morning with hail, damaging wind, isolated tornadoes, and flash flooding all possible. Here's what we're looking at right now. If you're stepping out soon to head on your lunch break, a mix of sun and clouds, more cloud cover as you go to the east in our Minnesota counties, as last night's storm systems are continuing to depart off to the east. More blue sky and sunshine in parts of eastern North Dakota. But tonight, I do expect increasing cloud cover and the instability in the atmosphere to increase as a front will be moving through. So late tonight into early tomorrow morning, the Northern Valley, Fargo included, Central Valley and points off to the west shaded in yellow in the greatest risk area for some severe storms. So here's what we're looking at. Tornado potential is low, but it's not zero. So tornadoes will be possible, especially with the earliest developing storms in the earlier part of the late evening. I'll time that out for you in a minute here. Large hail up to 1.5 inches in diameter, wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour, and localized flash flooding for some. So here's what it looks like through your afternoon. A few showers and thunder showers are possible through this afternoon, but overall, the greatest risk comes later tonight. Here we are, 8:05 p.m. You can see those storms continuing to kind of brew out in northwestern North Dakota. Some of those will be tracking to the east late tonight. This is 11 p.m. So if you're watching Hutch tonight for Valley News Live at 10, they'll be covering these storms right here, which could be strong and severe. It's these earlier developing ones, still fairly late in the evening, that have the highest potential for a tornado or two to form and the largest of the hailstones to form with the earlier developing storms. Then through the overnight, they kind of start to form a line. And you may have heard us talk about this before. When they start to form that backwards C shape, that's called a bow echo or a bowing segment. And that's when the greatest risk becomes damaging wind gusts. So that will continue in northeastern North Dakota and the Northern Valley through the overnight hours and into early tomorrow morning, and we could see a second little wave of some showers and storms behind that as well. So northeastern North Dakota and central North Dakota, we're watching for that greatest risk for some strong storms early tomorrow morning for your Tuesday commute. Those gradually lift to the north through the morning. We're left with a little bit of a quieter afternoon. However, there is a chance that we could also see redevelopment with some isolated strong to severe thunderstorms Tuesday afternoon and evening. For the flash flooding potential, area shaded in green down to the south. Not everywhere in this area is going to flood, okay? Where we see isolated stronger storms dumping a lot of heavy rain, the best potential is anywhere within the dark green shades. For tomorrow afternoon's redevelopment, it really will depend on how much energy the morning storms can suck up from our atmosphere, but there's potential that they could redevelop and see some greater instability building back up into the afternoon and evening. So there is quite a wide area in that level 2 out of 5 risk for severe. I do expect it to be trimmed up a bit this afternoon as the Storm Prediction Center releases updates later. And then Wednesday, we could see another chance for some isolated strong to severe storms. So let's wrap everything up in your 7-day planner here. Lots going on. 2 first alert weather days. And then Jordan, look at next weekend. I don't know if you're a fan of the heat. I am not. I don't like the frigid cold. I don't like the heat. Some areas could see triple digits next weekend.
I say there's nothing wrong with not liking either extreme. I don't have to like -50 and I don't have to like 100 degrees.
I like 72 and sunny.
Exactly. Get me somewhere in the middle. That's where I want to be. All
Exactly.
right, Summer, thank you.